Part 6. The morning, everything changed. I woke up to the sound of running water and a feeling of pure dread. About a week after that talk, I woke up from another nightmare. The house was quiet, except for one sound. Running water, the shower. A cold panic hit me, and I ran down the hall shouting, "Grandma! Grandma!" No answer, so I banged on the bathroom door. It swung open. A wall of steam rolled out and the air was burning hot. I squinted through the fog, and before my dad dragged me away, before the screaming started, I saw her, Grandma, lying in the shower, eyes bulging, one hand curled against her chest, the other trailing down the glass door, leaving streaks in the steam. They said it was a heart attack, but I knew better. Follow for the next part.